we are in this government system. It's not a modular kitchen at all. It has the same old plywood system, but a partial modular in the way some attachments are being made and all. But yes, my when I was staying in Hyderabad, my flat, it was completely modular.
Okay, sir. And sir, do you see some like advantages over there when you had modular kitchens? I mean, was it more hands-on to you? Here, are you facing some sort of problem? I mean, are there any common problems which you're facing?
Yes. One, as I said, first of all, this plywood and all have a problem that the moment some water gets spill over here and there, you need to take care of. Otherwise, the wood will get affected, or the some mica would come out, or something will happen like that. Whereas when you talk about the model kitchen, those benefits are there because it is all waterproof and termite proof and all. In this kind of a case, you have to take care of those termite treatment regularly. These are the issues. Plus, handy. Though I don't get into the kitchen too much, but whenever you get into the kitchen, you know that things are well in place. Every item has its own place, the fixed place. So even after months also, sometime you get into it, you know that where the things are. Those kind of,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And sir, are you aware about the usage of MDF which is started in modular kitchens? What are your views about that?
See, one which I know, which I have experienced, is more about because of the material which is not getting affected by water, weather, or it is also termite free.
Yes, sir.
That's a big issue because most often you have this issue that cockroaches or other termites or other issues. Cleaning is a problem. The moment you try to clean more with the water and all, that wood and fly gets damaged. All those issues are over. So it's a cost, but the maintenance cost is not there.
Okay.
So it's an initial cost, but the maintenance cost is there.
So sir, at this point of time, if you take a new flat and if you go about redesigning your kitchen, what would be your thought process? How would you go about it?
I have slightly different opinion on that because the way the kitchen I see in flat, I don't like it because most of the kitchens don't have a proper ventilation or window.
Okay.
It's not airy, which should be because and also the kitchen should have some sunlight.
Okay.
One, this is to me, this is
that's the part of the design.
Right,
yes.
Design. People go for vastu and all. I would like to go for airy, windy, and sunlight. These three things are very important. Apart from that, it should be spacious also.
Okay, sir.
Because sometimes in the name of this modular kitchen, it will be so much jam-packed and so compact that you don't get space in the kitchen. It should have some space also. 2, 3, yes, modular in some way is good because, as I said, everything has its own place, which is must to have. To recall and to know where things are, it would be very easy.
So who would you consult on all this? Will you go to a local vendor? Will you go to an interior decorator, an architect, established showroom? How would you go about it?
See, what I did for my flat was the builder, he shared this what he wanted to do.
Okay, sir.
So we said, no, you would like to go for something more than that. And he says that fine, you have an option, you have to pay extra, you go for it. Now the second thing, what do you want?
Okay, sir.
So we visited some of the showrooms,
okay,
and we saw that the different patterns they showed us.
Yes, sir. Okay.
1, 2, even the builder helped us in that. The builder had a lot of readily available stuff. Some booklets were there where all these things, different patterns, different styles were there, and we chose something from that. This is a way we handle it.
Okay, sir. And sir, our client is Kitchen City. It's a decor showroom, and it sells modular kitchens, and it has the expertise in installing MDF in modular kitchen. Now the trade-off which people face is quality versus the price. Because it is slightly priced higher than its other substitutes, the price becomes high. So how would you weigh this quality versus price trade-off?
One has to understand that it does not have a maintenance cost.
Okay, sir.
So the initial cost is high, and if maintenance cost is very low, fine.
Okay, sir.
That is what I look for.
Okay.
Because the initial cost is low and keep on maintaining, your time also goes into it.
Okay,
so here you are able to save the time.
Okay, sir. So any other views which you have in consisting of the redesigning procedure, or about modular kitchens, or about what?
No, what I feel is, where we get stuck. Probably when I was in Delhi, I could easily go to the showroom. I could locate people who could help me and all. I think the smaller towns like Indore, I don't know. I have never seen a showroom in the city
Okay.
where one can just walk in and see
Fine.
different styles and all. Probably in a tier 2 cities or B class cities or a C class cities, you need to have some kind of a way to support. Otherwise, people, those who are interested also cannot do because they don't have any option available or they don't have the information available.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. लेकिन दो फोन लेके एक साथ